Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, I am going to discussing about logical sequence of words. This is the last session in this logical sequence of words. I will discuss a few more problems regarding this logical sequence of words. By this, we'll close this logical sequence of words session. Right? Let's see the first question. Arrange the following words in a logical order. Arrange the following words in a logical order. Here the words which are given as college, child, salary, school and employment. So here based on the logical order, first of all no one will get salary directly, right? So first one will start with child. Among the given options, first child is the first person and child goes to school. Once the schooling is done, once the schooling is done, he will goes to college. Once the schooling is done, child goes to college. Once the college is done, once the studies are done, and then employment, and then employment, that is the next one. Employment is the next one, and finally once we got employment, finally we'll get the salary. Finally we'll get the salary. So first child is number 2, school number 4, college number 1, employment number 5 and salary number 3. So here the correct logical order, that is 2 4 1 5 3. 2 4 1 5 3, that is the correct order. 2 4 1 5 3, that is option B. 2 4 1 5 3, that is the correct order. Option B is the right answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. See here, arrange the following in a meaningful sequence. Here also 5 words are given. The first word is post box. After that, letter, envelope, delivery and clearance. Guys, here first of all the correct order. So many students are thinking that first order is letter, but not letter. First one is envelope. We have to keep the letter in envelope. First envelope. Envelope should be there. That is number 3. Envelope. Once envelope is there, and then we have to keep the letter in that. We have to keep the letter in this envelope. And then that particular letter is posted in post box. Next one is post box, that is number 1. Once it is done, it is not directly delivered. Next one is clearance. Next one is clearance, that is number 5. Clearance is number 5. And finally delivery. Once the clearance is done, that particular letter should be delivered to the particular person. So this is the correct order. 3 2 1 5 4. 3 2 1 5 4, that is the correct meaningful order. See here, 3 2 1 5 4. Option C. Option C is the right answer for this question. 3 2 1 5 4. Let's move on to the next question. See here, district, village, state, town and city. First we can write from smallest one to largest one. After that largest one to smallest one. First one is village, smallest one. Next one is town. Next one is town. After that district. District is next smallest one. And next one is city. Next one is city. And finally state. This is the correct order. This is from smallest to largest. If you want to write in reverse approach, you can also write in this manner. That is state, city, district, and next town, and finally village. And finally village. See, write down the numbers. Village number 2, town number 4, district number 1, city number 5, state number 3. Here if you want to write in reverse order, that is 3, 5, 1, 4, 2. Either smallest to largest or else largest to smallest. Once check it out which option is given. No option is starting with 3. So we cannot take this one. Check it out this one. Smallest to largest. 24153. 24153. That is there in first option. Option A is the right answer. 24153. That is correct sequence. 24153. Option A is the right answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. Last question. See, here 6 words are given. Here total 6 words. Arrange the following in a meaningful sequence. See, travel, destination, payment, berth or seat number, reservation, and availability of berth or seat of reservation. See, first of all, always we have to choose the destination path. This is complete traveling path. All these words are related to traveling path. Suppose if you want to go to some place, we have to choose the destination first. We have to choose the destination. So first one is always destination. That is number 2. Destination. With destination number 2, only one option is given. Obviously that answer must be the answer. Why? Because none of this is not there. So this might be the answer. Once check it out whether it is correct or wrong. First one is destination. Next, once the destination is fixed, then we will check it out about availability of berth. Availability of berth for reservation, right? After that, payment. Once availability is there, then we can go for payment. After payment is done, this one availability is completed, payment is also completed. Once the payment is done, then next we have to book the reservation. Next one is reservation. If it is done, reservation is done, then berth number and seat number. We have to go for berth or seat number. Once the reservation is done, definitely we'll get a berth or seat number. Once these are fixed, and finally we can travel. That is the correct order. That is destination. After that, availability of berth or seat for reservation. After that, payment should be done. Once it is done, reservation we have to take it out. Once reservation is done, we'll get berth or seat number. Once we'll get berth or seat number, we can go for travel. Right? This is the correct sequence of words. So in this way, we can solve these kind of problems in logical sequence of words. So guys, this is very small chapter and very important also for most of the competitive examinations. By this logical sequence of words topic is over. Thank you very much for watching.